Hello, I'm Ctrl. This is a quick video to show how to join objects and unjoin objects in Blender. In this tutorial, I will add two objects first. We can go to Add, Merge, and add the cube. And then I add another object. Go to Add, Merge. I will add the monkey Susan. I will use the panel to move monkey Susan upwards to 1.5 meters. And then I rotate it in negative 55 degrees in X. So we can see that there are two objects. I want to show it clearly. We can go to keep it in solid shading and then go to the small arrow. We can change it to random color. So we have two colors to show two objects here. Now we can make a multiple selection. I use shift click to make multiple selection, and then we can go to objects and go to join, or we can use Ctrl J to join them together. I press Ctrl J. So we can see that this is one color, so this is one object. Now if you want to unjoin, we can select the object and go to edit mode, and then make sure that we select all the geometry. I press A, and then we can go to merge, and we can go to separate. Or we can use shortcut P to use separate. I press P and then show the separate menu, and then in this case I will use by those paths. See, so the objects are separate. We can go back to object mode, so we can select the four objects. Actually, the two eyes are separate by those parts. If you want to join them together again, we can make multiple selection and then press Ctrl J to join them again. So this is how we can join objects and unjoin objects in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CJ Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.